Hi. In Japanese, this kanji means fire, but this simple shape began from the ancient idea of rising flames. In this lesson, we'll learn how to read hi in modern Japanese, then trace its origin back to ancient writing. Let's first see how hi is read in modern Japanese. The main kuinyomi is hi. The main onyomi is ka. In some words, hi can also appear as bi or ho. As a single word, hi is usually read hi. It means fire. The onyomi ka appears in many compound words. Kazan means volcano. Kaji means a fire. Kayoubi means Tuesday. There is also a beautiful word, hanabi. It is written with hana, meaning flower, and hi, meaning fire. Together, hanabi means fireworks. Now let's go back in time. Hi is generally understood as a pictograph of flames. In early forms, it looked more like flames rising upward. Over time, the picture-like shape became simpler, more balanced, and easier to write. Eventually, it became the modern form hi. To help your memory, imagine the center stroke of hi as a flame rising upward. The two side strokes can look like sparks spreading out from the fire. This is not the ancient form itself, but it can help you remember the modern shape. Let's practice the readings once. Hi.
Hi.
Hanabi.
Hanabi.
Kazan.
Kazan.
Kaji.
Kaji.
Kayoubi.
火曜日。日。火山。火事。花火。火曜日。
I hope this lesson was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.